Welcome to this video on jailbreak and root. In the world of mobile devices, these two terms often come up when people talk about gaining more control over their phones. This video will help you understand what jailbreaking and rooting are, why people do it, and most importantly, what dangers come with these practices. Let's start with the basics. Jailbreak is the term used for Apple iOS devices like iPhones and iPads. When you jailbreak an iPhone, you remove the software restrictions that Apple puts on its devices. This gives you full access to the operating system root. On the other hand, root is the term for Android devices. Rooting gives you privileged administrator control over the Android operating system, allowing you to bypass manufacturer and carrier limitations. If you jailbreak an iPhone, you gain several benefits. First, you get enhanced customization. You can change themes, icons, fonts, and layouts in ways that Apple normally doesn't allow. Second, you can install unauthorized apps from sources other than the App Store, such as Cydia. Third, you can remove system apps that come pre-installed with iOS to free up storage space. And finally, you can apply performance tweaks to optimize speed, battery life, and system-level functionality. Rooting an Android device also provides significant benefits. You can remove bloatware, which are pre-installed system apps from manufacturers that you don't want, giving you more storage. You get full customization where you can modify themes, install custom ROMs, change kernels, and alter system files. You can overclock your processor and graphics card to increase performance. And you can underclock your processor to optimize battery life and control system resources more efficiently. While jailbreaking and rooting have similar goals, they work differently. Jailbreak targets Apple iOS devices and works by exploiting security vulnerabilities in the system. Root targets Android devices and uses allowed backdoors and built-in toggles to gain access. Jailbreaking voids your device warranty, while rooting may not. Jailbreaking is complex and has fewer tools available, while rooting is simpler with many more tools to choose from. Both jailbreaking and rooting expose your device to serious security dangers. You become 3.5 times more likely to be targeted by malware because you've removed the security protections. Disabled security features like sandboxing and secure boot make you vulnerable to attacks. Attackers can steal your personal data, including credentials, contacts, and financial information. Your device no longer receives automatic security updates, leaving known vulnerabilities unpatched. A compromised device can expose an entire corporate network if used in a work environment. And unauthorized modifications can cause your device to crash, perform poorly, or become completely unusable. When comparing the two, the risks are significant but different. With jailbreaking, malware risk increases 3.5 times. Apps designed for compromised systems are detected 12 times more frequently. The entire system becomes compromised 250 times more often. The sandbox isolation feature gets disabled, and automatic updates stop working. With rooting, malware risk also increases 3.5 times. However, the file system becomes compromised 1,000 to 3,000 times more frequently. The SC Linux security system is disabled 90 times more often. And rooted devices give complete access to the operating system, enabling full data theft. So which is more dangerous? Android rooting is significantly more dangerous than iOS jailbreaking. While both increase malware risk 3.5 times, rooted devices experience file system compromises 3,000 times more frequently. This means attackers can modify core system files that are much harder to recover from. Jailbreaking primarily affects app-level security where the sandbox is bypassed, making it dangerous but somewhat contained. Rooting bypasses the entire operating system security, giving attackers complete control over the device. This makes rooting the greater threat overall. Here are the key points to remember. Both jailbreaking and rooting remove device restrictions to give you administrator-level access for customization and control. The key difference is that jailbreaking exploits iOS vulnerabilities, while rooting uses allowed Android backdoors. Common dangers to both include a 3.5 times higher malware risk, no automatic security updates, and disabled security features. However, rooting is more dangerous because file system compromise rates are 3,000 times higher with permanent modification capability. Legitimate uses exist for developers and power users who need to test applications and customize their systems. But the best practice is to avoid rooting or jailbreaking unless you fully understand the security trade-offs and accept the risks involved.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.